Welcome back all, it's Dylan from Sun Ski Sports here today. We're going to be talking about boots on the packing list. The main thing when it comes to a pair of ski boots is trying to get the right fit for every individual skier. Each boot is going to fit a little bit differently and every person is going to feel a little bit different in each boot. When it comes to ski boot basics, there's going to be a few things that are similar across the board. All boots are going to have a similar buckling system to keep your foot secure in the boot, as well as a liner that gives you the primary warmth and security comfort of the boot. Different liners will also come with a different feature to mold it, whether it be heat or gel injection. Gives you a little bit of an extra glove-like fit to keep your foot secure and comfortable in that boot. Another primary feature some boots will have is a height feature on the back. Gives you a little bit of an extra walk feature when you're walking around the mountain or trying to get some side country action. A key component to any boot is going to be the flexibility or the stiffness of the boot. A boot that's softer and more flexible is going to be better for a beginner skier or someone looking for some more comfort out of a boot, while a boot that's stiffer and less flexible is going to give you more power and is going to be geared towards more of an advanced skier. Ultimately, when it's time to buy your next pair of boots, I recommend you go get professionally fitted. This will give you the right boot for the best experience on the mountain.